Here is rhythm 31. We're going to use line 2 once again as our example. First beat, we're in 4/4. Quarter note gets the beat. First beat. Is the beat divided? Yes, it is. What's the smallest note value? It is the triplet eighth note. We're going to count for how many triplet eighth notes are in one quarter note beat. There are 3, so there's going to be 3 events here. The first event is going to be a ta. The second event, where it would be right here, is going to be a clap, where the second eighth note, triplet eighth note would be. The third event is a ta. So we have ta, clap, ta, and we hold through while we do that clap. Second beat, is the beat divided? Yes, it is. What's the smallest note value? The triplet eighth note. How many triplet eighth notes are in one quarter note? There are 3, so there's going to be 3 events of tas or claps. We're going to ta here, and then we ta here. This is a quarter note. And then the third triplet eighth note happens here, so we're going to clap here while we're holding this note through. Beat 3, is beat divided? No, so we'll ta. Is the beat divided on 4? No, so we'll hold through, and we will clap as we're singing that note to mark where beat 4 will be. Let's do all of measure 1 together to get off started on the right spot. Here is my quarter note pulse. What is the speed of the triplet eighth notes? They are ja, da, 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 da. So measure 1 is here we go. Ta, 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 ta. Okay, it's important to be able to flip back and forth between jun, dun, 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 and da, 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 jun, dun, dun, jun, dun, dun, jun, dun, dun, jun, dun, dun, da, da, da. If it helps to have the metronome going, you can do that. All right, here we go. We have a more complicated rhythm because we have the triplet eighth notes, and we have some ties going on as well. But if we use our rules, we should be able to figure it out. Beat 1. Is the beat divided? The answer is yes. What's the smallest note value used within that beat? The triplet eighth note. How many triplet eighth notes are in one beat? There are 3, so we all have 3 events occurring in here. Even though this is written as 1 quarter note, they could have written as 2 eighth note rests, but they chose to write it as 1 quarter note. But following our method, we're going to account for every triplet eighth note, every one of the smallest note values within here. So there's going to be 3 events happening within this beat. The first event is a clap on the first rhythmic triplet eighth note. The second rhythmic triplet eighth note would occur right here. It's the second half of this quarter rest. So we're going to clap there too. So we'll have clap, clap, and the third triplet eighth note is here, where we will ta. So those are our 3 events. Clap, clap, ta, in the speed of triplet eighth notes. Dun, 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 dun. Ta, that's that first beat. All right. Second beat, is the beat divided? Yes. What's the smallest note value? The triplet eighth note. How many triplet eighth notes are in a quarter? 3, so there's going to be 3 events that happen through here. The first event starts right here. Normally we would ta this note, but it happens to be being held over from the previous pitch. So we will just clap to signify where the start of beat 2 happens. Then we're holding this note through here. This is where the second triplet eighth note would occur. We'll clap that one, and then we will ta on the third triplet eighth note. So this will, again, will be clap, clap, ta, but we're holding this note through on the first 2 claps. Next beat. Is this beat divided? I'm talking about this beat by itself. Yes, it is. What's the smallest note value used? Triplet eighth note. How many triplet eighth notes are in a quarter? There are 3, so there's going to be 3 events. So the first triplet eighth note occurs right here at the start of the beat. Normally we would ta it, but it's being held over from the previous one, so we're going to clap there. Where's the second triplet eighth note? Right here. We're going to clap that because we're holding it through. While we voice it, we will clap here, and then we will ta on the third triplet eighth note spot. Final beat of this measure. Is the beat divided? Yes, it is. How many? What is the smallest note value? Triplet eighth note. How many within a beat? 3. There's going to be 3 events. This is also being held over, so we will ta on the beginning of this beat. Scratch that. We will clap on the beginning of this beat, and then we'll ta here and ta here. So we'll have clap, ta, ta. Let's do that second one together. We'll have clap, clap, ta, clap, clap, ta, clap, clap, ta, clap, ta, ta. And we'll put that in a steady rhythm. Here's my quarter note pulse. What's the speed of the triplet eighth notes? Here we go. Ta, 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 ta. That is that measure. All right. If we can get through all of that, we're kind of home free, but we have to make sure that we keep our quarter note pulse steady. Is the beat divided? No. We will ta here and hold through. Is this beat divided? No. Since we're holding this through, we will clap on beat 2 to mark where it is and hold that note all the way to here. Is beat 3 divided? The answer is no, so we will clap on beat 3 with no voicing. Is beat 4 divided? No, we will clap on beat 4 with no voicing. Let's do all of line 2. Here's our quarter note pulse. Speed of the eighth notes goes dun 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 dun. Here we go. Ta 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 ta. And that is line 2.